I'm back. All right, so this is gonna be a short video. I'm doing valve train stuff. Look where I'm at so far. Boom. We got the Howard cams. I'm learning a lot about geometry, setting the lash. I don't feel comfortable videoing myself doing this, but check it out. We got the other side to do. Yeah, making progress. Super pumped on this. Yeah, and check out the color after it's dried. I don't know if the video is doing it justice, but it looks great. Once I get the intake manifold on and the valve covers, I think it's really gonna pop. So yeah, the Howard cams. I had to upgrade a couple things. So I had to, the old guide plates where they were 5/8, wait, 5/16. So they're a little smaller, and the stock studs, can't really see them underneath here. The ones that hold this is the stud right here. The studs were smaller. They were 3/8. So I upgraded all the studs to 7/16. And then I got bigger guide plates for, I had to buy push rods. So the push rods are 3/8. So I needed to get 3/8 guide plates for them. So those are some upgrades. Some challenges I ran into were the hydraulic lifters. I don't have a solid lifter. So when I was trying to measure the geometry and get the right size push rod using one of these, this goes down pretty easily. Definitely the lifter spring's definitely lighter than this spring. So when you start, like, I can even push it down right now. See how it pushes down with your finger? So trying to get the correct geometry with a push rod reader is really hard. You really need to get a solid lifter to do it properly. So I did some internet searching, talked to some people online. I know it's horrible to get the lengths from somebody online without doing the proper measurements, but I talked to someone that I trust, and he builds a lot of these with the exact same everything. And he kind of gave me a ballpark of what to try, and they seem to be working great. So anyways, you're better off if you want to do it precisely, maybe like a race engine or a different application. You're going to want to get a solid lifter, use that tool to get the exact length so the plunger doesn't push the spring down, because you don't want that bottoming out and having no like hydraulic spring in there. Sorry, started rambling. Quick video. Check it out. So I think pretty soon I'm going to get this intake manifold on, the covers on, and I'm going to try to find a run tester so we can fire this thing up without putting it in, fix any issues we have. So stay tuned for that. Thanks. Check it out. Like, subscribe.